The most crucial measurement is subfloor to subfloor. Notice that I am measuring from the front of the laser. Next, we will measure from the header to the adjacent wall. Now we are measuring from the back of the laser. Here we're measuring the ceiling height, which clearly won't be an issue on this job. Measuring from the back of the laser, we need to make sure the laser is hitting the joist. Face constraint is being measured here from the back of the laser. Here's a simple measurement of the height of the header. Be sure to include the subfloor. Now we are measuring the floor opening beneath the stairs. Notice that we are measuring from the header to the next floor joist, not just the opening in the subfloor. Length and width of the opening are measured from the back of the laser. That's all for this example. After you submit these forms, we'll have a tech review phone call to talk through your measurements and answer any questions.